Hey London, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber here, serving you since 2006. Your reliable source for plumbing and drain solutions in London. Want fast, friendly, and reliable service in London for things like clogged drains, clogged toilets, hot water tank replacements, or sump pump installations? Then call John the Plumber. All of our plumbers are licensed, insured, and most importantly, friendly. All of our work is backed by our industry-leading 2-year warranty. From drain cleaning, sump pump installations to hose bib replacements, it's all covered by our warranty. Need sewer repair? We specialize in sewer repairs and replacements in London. Need new faucets? We have top quality plumbing fixtures that are built to last. Need leaks repaired? Our team can repair your leaking pipes faster than you can say, "I need John the Plumber." Need emergency plumbing services in London? Our team of skilled and professional plumbers are on standby, waiting to provide you with any solution to your plumbing problem. Day or night, Monday to Sunday, we are ready to provide you with exceptional plumbing services. Call us today or book online and save $20 on your booking. Returning customer, enjoy 10% off your bill thanks to our loyalty program. Want a quote? We'll provide you with a detailed, transparent, and fair quote for the job at hand. If you choose us for the job, we'll waive the quote fee. Concerned about cost? John the Plumber offers competitive pricing and detailed quotes, plus easy financing options with Finance It. Enjoy soft, non-invasive credit checks and flexible payment plans, all without hidden penalties. With John the Plumber, you're choosing a trusted, local expert committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Join thousands of customers already experiencing peace of mind and exceptional plumbing service. This customer said, "They accommodated around my schedule. Communication was great and the problem was solved same day. We'll call them again." Loretta said, "Would definitely use them in future. They worked quickly and neatly. They had good communication and was very polite." Teresa said, "They came same day, installed parts quickly, and cleaned up. Great experience and fair pricing." Visit us online or call today to schedule your quote or consultation from our team of friendly and reliable professionals.